Hello and welcome to our next video and lecture from this email marketing passive income course. In this lecture we are going to talk about one of the key elements for you in order to start an email marketing business that generates passive income for you, and that is traffic sources. What you need to know is that there are plenty of traffic sources that you can use in order to get new leads into your email sales funnel. Basically, traffic means that you have visitors coming to a landing page where you have an opt-in form or a field somewhere that your visitors can fill in, leave your email address, and end up in your database, in your subscribers list. Okay, there are plenty of traffic sources that you can use for that, as we have mentioned, but some of them are better, and you have to test them and you have to see which one converts the best for you. Now, the key part of this process is testing, as I've told you, and optimization till you find the best converting traffic source for you. For example, if you drive, let's say you have a landing page in the dating niche, it might be more beneficial for you to drive traffic from forums. That market might be much more interested than driving traffic from Facebook ads. Okay, but you have to test them, see which one converts the best. That means what is conversion for you, how many people from, let's say, 100 people end up on your list from that source of traffic. In order to be able to do that, you have to test on at least 100 visitors from your top 5 picks of traffic sources. Okay, let's say you have top 5 picks like Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, free search engine traffic, and banners. Okay, somewhere. Okay, you have these top five picks of traffic sources. You test on 100 visitors from each of them, and you see which one performs the best. Okay, you will choose these top sources based on your niche. Okay, because as I've told you, it depends on the niche and where your ad audience hangs out. Now, there are different types of traffic, and we are going to discuss a little bit about them right now. You have free traffic, which can come from social media networks, search engine optimization, blogs like guest posts and stuff like that, forums, from your signature on forums, from different posts, from free ads. There are places where you can put free ads, etc., etc. Okay. Then we have Ppc traffic. You can get targeted traffic from Facebook ads, Google AdWords, Bing ads, and many other networks. You just have to go out there on the web and look for them, but there are plenty of them. Okay. Then we also have solo ads. You can pay email list owners to send a blast with your promotion to their list. So there are people out there who already have a huge list of subscribers, and you can pay them like a one-time fee. They will send an email to all of them, their subscribers, promoting your offer, your opt-in page, your service, or whatever you are doing. Okay. And then we have banners. You can create banners and find websites where you can post them for a monthly cost. One of the best websites where you can do that is buyselads.com. Okay, you will find plenty of websites there. A lot of them have huge amounts of traffic, so you have to create a very persuasive banner, and you will get very good results. And obviously choose the right website where to put your banner for a month and see what happens. Okay, now thank you very much for your attention. I think that through traffic sources are a more clear topic for you right now, and we are looking forward to see you in the next